What's going on, guys? Finally back with the trucks, and I cannot wait to start making some more content with them. I've had quite a few parts for a while now, and I've just simply not had time to install them. So we're going to be going over the bigger parts that I have for the Trail Boss, and then we're going to be doing a giveaway with some Lasfit floor mats, so be sure to stick around for that. I guess we'll start with the most obvious, that being we have a new bumper. So this one does not have the factory exhaust cutouts, and that way we can actually run our own exhaust how we want it, because Trail Boss is just not loud enough. It throws all the sound straight out the back. It's really quiet from inside driving, even with the windows down, rear window open. It's just quiet. I got this from GM Official, or one of the GM websites. I'll put a link to them in the description. It was right under $500, I think, and it's obviously bare bones. Hopefully we'll be able to transfer all the plastics from that one over to this one. Hopefully. Sometimes they don't like to transfer, but we'll just have to see. If we have to get new plastics, then we'll just have to do that. But instead of color matching the factory one and being stuck with that style exhaust, I just went ahead and picked up one of these, because we are going to be color matching the front and rear bumpers, and this one's primed black, obviously, so we'll be good to go once we get these color matched, slap them on there, and then we can change our exhaust hopefully all fairly soon. This literally rode in this box with just a clear sleeve over it, no cushions, no padding, anything. I didn't find any dents or anything on it. It's got one little scuff right here, but it's not dented, it's just a little scratch, so I don't think there'll be any issue with the body shop, you know, sanding that and making it perfect. But before we do that, I want to go ahead and get the truck sitting right, because it's killing me sitting at this stance. It's just, it looks good, but it's not good enough. So I've honestly had this for over a month. I just simply have not had time to install it, but hopefully next weekend, because I was going to install it this weekend, but this coming up weekend is the truck meet, so maybe next weekend I'll get this on. But this is the SST 2-inch leveling kit. It's going to make it a full 4-inch, so it's like a level lift, whatever you want to call it, but it goes along with the factory 2-inch lift that is longer struts. It has upper control on it. We'll crack it open and look at it in a minute. The main portion of this video is dedicated to these floor mats, though. Me and Lasfit got to talking. They've got these floor mats for the 2019 and up Silverado and Sierras, and they said, hey, we'd like to send you out a set, install on your truck, and then if you would like, give away to one of your subscribers. So that's exactly what we're going to be doing today. We're going to throw them in the truck, check them out, see how I feel about them. But if you want to win a set of these and you have a 2019 and up Sierra or Silverado, all you have to do is subscribe, like this video, comment your Instagram down below, and what year model truck you have with the make. So if this was me wanting to win these, I would put lmfscrew 2021 Chevy Silverado, and that way I'm going to randomly pick someone that has one of those trucks. Here's a free code to enter on their website, and then you can order them directly from them free of charge and get them shipped straight to you. Here's our new Lasfit floor mats, looking pretty sleek. They're pretty flexible, which I actually really like. The factory ones are a pain in the butt to get out of these trucks because they are very stiff, and they're also a 2-piece, whereas this, we should be able to just slide them in there. So let's go ahead and take the factory ones out, and then we'll throw these in, see how they look. Let's check it out. So they look absolutely amazing because they're brand new. They're shiny black. They look great compared to my nasty stained factory ones. I don't think I've ever cleaned them. But anyways, fit and finish, looking pretty daggum good. They do say in the instructions that if you have them, like if they're bent or anything, you can just lay them flat, they'll straighten out, or you can actually forcibly like bend them back, because in the box they can be misformed or whatever the case, whatever you call it. So everything should lay out. The longer they sit, the better it should lay. But overall, I do think they look really, really good. Deep grooves to get all the dirt and stuff off your shoes or whatever. Doesn't have a hole right here. The factory one does have it for the little pop thing, so you can still pop it out, but the factory one did have a bunch of crap get stuck down in there. So that's what you're looking like right there. Full coverage. I really like the rear ones. I'll tell you why. So this one's probably got to lay out the most, because this had to be folded as a 1-piece versus the factory 2-piece. One, I do like that it is a 1-piece, because all of Dallas's dog hair usually gets stuck in between the two factory ones, whereas now it can't do that. And I also like how it has this little back right here. So the factory one is just flat. You see it right there. It's just flat. So all of Dallas's hair would get stuck underneath it and in between that. Whereas now, you know, got a little back, so hopefully everything will stay down. It's kind of a lost cause. I'm sorry, it's disgusting in here. Dallas is just, she sheds like crazy. But you see the little tray, you got a little guard right there so it doesn't, you know, liquids or whatever doesn't run out there. You've got a tiny little trim piece right here, so it would hold liquid in this floor mat itself. So that's really good. We'll throw the seat down, get y'all a little look. So yeah, nice little upgrade, especially if your truck maybe didn't come with floor mats. I don't know if that's an option that you have to get. Maybe some of y'all's trucks actually don't have any floor mats. Maybe they have like factory carpet ones or something. I don't really know. But if that's the case, I think these would be a really big upgrade over a factory carpet one or not having them at all. Absolutely would recommend. And this is your chance to actually win a set for free. So like I said, if you are interested in winning them, subscribe, like this video, comment your Instagram with the make and model and year of your truck, and then I'll randomly pick someone. I'll DM you on Instagram, send you a code to go on to their website and order them. They'll get them shipped straight to you, free of charge, absolutely free. And that is for 2019 and up Silverado and Sierras. So be sure to do that. You want to win some free Lasfit floor mats for your 19 and up GM trucks. Now we're gonna end off the video checking out the ReadyLift SST 2-inch leveling kit with upper control arms for the truck. I'm stoked. Obviously this is the rear lift portion. Comes with a, I guess, 3-inch lift block instead of the factory 2. We will not be using that because I think the truck should sit perfectly level with the front on and the factory rear, and then, you know, how we want it to sit from there we will decide. But essentially we've got upper control arms, obviously super beefy. I had these on my 2018 Silverado for like 30,000 miles. Never had any issues out of them. They were absolutely a great upgrade from the factory junk ones. Same on these trucks. You go any higher than what they already are, you're gonna have issues with ball joints. Not with these. Thing is beefy as crap. Super beefy. Got some cool little plaques or whatever right here. This is a portion, this goes on top of the strut itself, and then this guy down here, these are the coupler that actually will have to remove the spring itself from the strut assembly and put these in there to adjust the preload and everything. So I'm really excited to put this on, but I gotta have like a full day to do this. I don't want to be stranded, you know, have the truck half torn apart for a week or whatever. So hopefully next weekend I'll get these on. So excited. Truck is going to be sitting so much better. I mean, it already sits like taller than Larry stock 2-inch Trail Boss. So with an extra 2-inch, putting her up 4 inches in the front, it's just going to change all the angles. It's going to look so much better. And then we might actually go off-road and test out the Nitto Recon Grappler ATs, because I haven't really wanted to, because the front end still sits pretty low and I didn't want to beat it up on any rocks or anything. So excited for that. These are also doing great still. Really enjoying them. I should announce the winner of that and maybe the truck meet video, or, you know, coming up video at some point, so be sure to watch those. I've also really been on the hunt for a crew cab or single cab Sierra or Silverado 0607 preferably. GMC doesn't really matter because those front ends didn't really change that much, but Silverados I'd really like to get with the domed hood 0607, and I want to do a lowered build with one of those. So 2-wheel drive is fine, but 4-wheel drive is a bonus. But I'm not paying 15 grand for one with 200,000 miles like people are currently asking for trucks.